In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mfc100.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL. Just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows. Wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load and then simply right click on the folder. Select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right-click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double-click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, locate the System32 folder, double-click, right-click and then select paste. Now once done, restart your Windows, right-click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ into your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.